Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix CapCut lag problem. So it's very easy on how you can fix it. First up, you need to be on the video and you need to press on this black space area, and then you'll see the option of modify. You just need to press on that. And right over here you need to go to performance and then turn on your proxy and make sure you set the resolution to 540p. So that's it, and then you need to press on save. Once you do that, you need to close CapCut, and then you need to press on settings, and right over here you need to press on settings again, and here you'll be able to see your cache size, and you need to just simply go ahead and delete the cache files. So here we go. Now it's removing. What cache files does is just simply, it just gets collected over the time, and it slows your PC and also the performance of your CapCut. So you can just remove your cache size easily, and it will just make your performance overall better. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.